celebration of its 10th-year anniversary.
I want it and I want it right now. Give it to me, don't you hold out. Call me needy, call me greedy, I don't care. I like what I like and I don't like to share. I want it right now. I want it right now. What I like and I don't like to share. I want it right now. 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 I want it right now.
JASS Soaring High. This is the year of growth, building up of JASS OSP build teams through MS Fusion.
10 successful years and 10 wonderful years of partnership, and we hope to see you for 10 and longer more years to come.
Globe Bean to JASS Nation.
Together, let's make the coming year even better. Warm wishes from JASS family, because JASS love, JASS care, in JASS ways. God bless everyone. Thank you, Globe. Thank you, JASS. Thank you, everyone. Isang dekadang pasasalamat sa lahat mula sa aking puso, sa aming puso ni Boss J. We sincerely appreciate all your support and looking forward to continuing to serve with excellence. May this holiday season bring joy, peace, and renewed inspiration for the year ahead.
Yeah, sun is shining, I got that feeling. Oh yeah, never been so blessed. Today is something I can believe in. Yeah, oh yeah, gotta live it, breathe it, be it. Yeah, now I clearly see it. Oh, this is my day.
This night is all sa ating lahat to. Let's celebrate. A toast for 10 years of success. Cheers!